Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike from Spectre Comics. Wanted to do a quick video to wrap up and round out 2021, talk about what we accomplished with Spectre Comics, what we did on the channel, and then talk about what's coming in 2022 as it's just around the corner. It's New Year's Eve as I'm filming this. Hope everybody's having a safe holiday. Happy New Year to everybody watching. And one of the things we did, I did a video very similar to this last year where I posted wrapping up 2020 and talking about what was coming in 2021. One of the goals I had set was to finish Spectre Comics issue 6, and we accomplished that earlier in the year, I think March or April. We also created a lot of great videos wrapping up the comic, doing inking videos for the last couple of pages, talking about designing a cover, going through the process that I do for cover design, as well as digital coloring tutorials for inking the cover and coloring the cover, and then sending it off to the printer, getting it printed, and then getting it back and seeing what the final result looked like. So lots of great content surrounding the wrapping up of Spectre Comics issue 6. Another thing we wanted to do this year is to get 100 videos up on the channel, and with this video, I think this is the 102nd video that I'm working on right now that you're watching. So we did get past the 100 mark on the channel. I think we filmed 41 videos, posted 41 videos this year. So the goal is to do more of that next year, but we did good this year getting to 100 videos. So again, I thank everybody for watching and interacting and subscribing. We got to 285 subscribers in 2021. It was a little shy of where I wanted to be at 300, but the goal for next year will be even larger and getting this channel monetized, getting to 1,000 subscribers. If you do feel like helping out, hit that subscribe button below the video. Would love to have you on board for the new year. Also was able to upgrade my camera, my microphone, my editing software, as well as my Photoshop. So we're using Photoshop 2022 on all the drawing videos we do now. For the previous couple of years, we've been using Photoshop 2019 as well as Premiere Elements 2019 to do all of the video editing. So now everything's been upgraded and everything's working out very well. I like the new content. I think everything's upgraded just slightly. Also opened a merch store this year. We've got a Spectre Comics merch store. There's a link in the description below. We've got 8 or 9 designs of characters and logos from Spectre Comics. So go ahead and check those out. Again, link in the description below. And there will be a lot new designs coming in the new year. So we'll be doing some videos on shirt designs and getting those posted and getting those up on the website for purchase. So if anybody's interested, link in the description below. We also were able to start penciling Spectre Comics issue 7, and we started writing the script for Spectre Comics issue 8. So the goal in the next year will be to kind of take that a little further, but at least we got those things started. And the last thing I want to talk about for accomplishing things in 2021 was we started updating the website, spectrecomics.com, and getting new pages posted. I think I posted several new pages of my webcomic, that's Spectre, A Dark Matter, which is the previous graphic novel I worked on. And what I decided to do was go and upgrade each page because the art was done so long ago, it doesn't really match my style now. And I wanted to get everything to be consistent, so it's one huge Spectre storyline over the cross of several different graphic novels. So the original graphic novel, Spectre, A Dark Matter, was 74 pages, and I think we're up to page 15 or 16 on spectrecomics.com. You can go ahead and read it for free, and we'll be posting new pages as we complete them through the coming year. So go ahead and check that out. So what's coming to Spectre Comics and my channel in 2022? Well, I do want to broaden the type of content that I'm creating for this channel. I have a lot of art projects that I want to document. And we're still going to be sticking in the same niche with art, comics, and pop culture. So there'll be a lot of videos surrounding that kind of area, but I do want to broaden the types of videos I make because I keep searching for that secret sauce for what people want to see and how to present it in a way that people find entertaining. So we're going to be working hard to make better videos in the coming year. I do want to do an upgrade to my website, spectrecomics.com. I've had the same WordPress site for years, even though I had to restart the website because I got hacked a couple years ago and had to kind of pull everything down, wipe the site and restart. That's a funny story if you ever want to hear it, but basically I had to restart the website, but I haven't changed the design. So I want to do a new header, a new banner, a new background, and all new content on that site. So we'll be working on that in 2022. I also mentioned before that I want to get the channel up to 1,000 subscribers in 2022. So before the end of the year, before it turns into 2023, everybody who is interested in subscribing to join me, hit that subscribe button, help me get to 1,000 subscribers next year, get this channel monetized, and help me produce lots more content. Now, I do have a notebook with 100, 150 videos that I want to make. So I got a lot of content ideas, but I want to be able to present that in a way that's fun and entertaining for everybody. So again, we'll be working hard on new content in 2022. For Spectre Comics, and again, this will go with a lot of new videos to kind of follow the process, but we'll be completing the pencils for Spectre Comics issue 7. We'll document that the entire way. We'll talk about the process, laying out pages, and all that good stuff for making comics. I do want to have the script for Spectre Comics issue 8 completed, and once I have the full Spectre 8 issues completed, that's going to complete one whole storyline, and in the future, probably a couple years from now, I'll be combining that into one large graphic novel that's going to be over 250 pages. So that's exciting and coming in the future. So one thing we skipped this year in 2021 because of the pandemic was going to Comic-Con, sitting in Artist Alley, and being around other artists, which is a great experience if you've never done it. I do want to get back to that in 2022. So we'll plan on doing it. I didn't want to do it this year because I didn't want to have to sit in Artist Alley for 8 hours a day for several days wearing a mask and not being able to really interact with people. So I really hope that 2022 is the year we get back to going to Comic-Con. In Chicago, we have Wizard World and we have C2E2. And those are two great shows. And we'll try to get back to those in this coming year. So just a short video to put this awful 2021 behind us. Cannot wait to start the new year fresh with new content, new Spectre comic ideas, new art projects. Thank you all so much for being here through the year. I appreciate everybody who's interacted with me, who's put a thumbs up on the video. And if you haven't subscribed, again, help us get to 1,000 subscribers in the new year. We are currently at 285 and we want to rise fast starting in January. So go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel, share the video, comment below. I love interacting with people. I will respond if you post a comment. That's it. Happy New Year, everybody. See you next time. Have a great day.